What if there's a way to add an extra paycheck to your month? Without working weekends, without quitting your job, and without spending more than 30 minutes a day on it. Some people have added around $800 to $1,000 to $500 per month using the approach I'm sharing today. That could help knock out credit card debt, fund your kids' activities, or just give you some breathing room. And here's the thing, this isn't about building a six-figure side hustle overnight. This is for busy parents in 2026 who have maybe 5 to 10 hours a week total. This is a realistic income stack plan that can work when you're juggling school pickups, work deadlines, and dinner duty. Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll have a clear 3-stream system you can start exploring this week. I'll show you how to stack them so they work together, not against each other. Just a quick heads up before we dive in. This is educational content only, not financial advice. Results vary based on effort, skill, market, and timing. Income examples are illustrations, not guarantees. So do your own research as well. Now let's get into it. Now here's why this matters specifically in 2026. AI is changing the job market faster than anyone predicted. In 2025, a marketing team of 11 people was replaced by a single AI tool. That's not a future threat, that's happening right now. And here's what's concerning. Layoffs don't hit everyone equally. When economic chaos comes, people with one income stream get crushed. People with multiple income streams tend to be more resilient. You're probably relying on 90% or more of your income from one source, your job. If that disappears, everything collapses. But here's the good news. You don't need to build a massive business to fix this. You just need to add layers. Think of income stacking like building a house. Your job is the foundation. It pays the bills today, but you also need walls, a roof, electricity. Each layer protects you when something goes wrong with another layer. The goal isn't maximizing every layer right away. It's having enough active layers that losing one doesn't trigger panic. And the fastest way to build that resilience is a simple 3-stream system. So let's talk about Stream 1, which is all about getting paid every month without building anything from scratch. This stream is about recurring revenue, getting paid every single month without creating a product from zero. Here's how it works. You find a platform where people are already buying what you can offer. You don't need to build an audience. You don't need to run ads. You just need to show up where customers already are. For busy parents, the best options are freelance platforms like Contra. You pick a skill you already have: writing, graphic design, virtual assistants, bookkeeping, social media management, and you create a profile. You set your rate. You take on 2 to 3 small clients who pay you a monthly retainer. If you charge $500 per month per client and get 2 clients, that's $1,000 per month, and you might only work 5 to 8 hours per client per month. That's 15 hours total for $1,000. Another option is affiliate income through the tools you're already using. Software, apps, services. You sign up for their affiliate program and share your link in places where people are already asking for recommendations. You don't need a blog. You don't need thousands of followers. You just need to be helpful where people are already looking. Share your affiliate link when someone asks for a recommendation. Around $30 per referral, 2 to 3 referrals a month. That's $60 to $90 without doing anything new. The key here is that this doesn't require building anything from scratch. It's monetizing skills and tools you already use. Now let's move into Stream 2, which is the fastest path to around $500 outside your job. This stream is about speed. One of the faster ways to put around $500 in your pocket within 30 days. And the secret is service-based work. Not products, not courses, services. Why? Because services trade time for money directly. No waiting for traffic. No waiting for sales funnels to convert. You do the work, you get paid. Here's the play. Identify one skill you use at work that other people need but don't have time to do themselves. Resume and LinkedIn optimization is a great example. Job seekers may pay $150 to $300 for a polished resume and profile. 2 clients per week could be $1,200 to $1,800 per month. Virtual assistant work for small businesses is another strong option. $25 to $40 per hour, 10 hours per week. That's $1,000 to $1,600 per month. Tutoring or coaching works well too. If you're good at math, English, or a second language, parents pay $40 to $60 per hour. And content editing or proofreading, businesses need their blog posts and emails polished, and you can charge $50 to $100 per piece. The key is you don't need to be an expert. You just need to be better than the person who's too busy to do it themselves. And here's where AI comes in. Use tools like WriteSonic or Jasper to speed up the work. You're not replacing your judgment, you're multiplying your output. Now we get to stream 3, which is where you build it once and get paid repeatedly. This is passive income potential. You create something once and get paid over and over without trading more time. We're talking digital products, templates, guides, checklists, ebooks. Here's where most people go wrong. They try to build a massive course first. That's overwhelming. That's months of work. That's how you burn out. Start micro, really micro. A $20 to $30 template or checklist that solves one specific problem. That's it. A 30-day meal prep planner for busy parents at $27. A LinkedIn profile optimization checklist at $19. A monthly budget template for families at $25. An AI prompt library for content creators at $29. A virtual assistant onboarding template pack at $35. You create these in Canva. You sell them on Gumroad or Stan Store. You share the link where your audience already is, your social media, your email list, your freelance client network. If you sell a $27 template and make just 10 sales per month, that's $270, and you're doing no additional work. Those 10 sales could become 20 next month, 30 the month after. This is where time decouples from money. You're sleeping, the product's still selling, and you don't need a big audience. You just need to be helpful in the right places. Reddit, Facebook groups, LinkedIn. Every helpful answer is a chance to share your link. Now here's what turns 3 separate streams into one more streamlined system. And that's the automation layer. You don't want 3 side hustles. You want one income stack where everything connects. Use Zapier or Make.com to connect your tools. When someone buys your digital product, Zapier automatically sends them the file and adds them to your email list. When you get a new freelance client, Make.com automatically creates a project folder and sends you a reminder. Use Gling for video editing if you're creating content. It automates the boring parts like cutting silence, removing mistakes, and adding captions. And use Canva templates for everything. One design system for your social posts, your templates, your client deliverables. You're not starting from scratch every time. The goal is to spend maybe 30 minutes a day maintaining your income stack, not 3 hours. And here's the key. You don't build all of this at once. You start with one stream, stabilize it, then add the second, then the third. Keep in mind that automation tools can reduce time spent, but systems still require setup and ongoing review. Results vary. Let me show you what this looks like in real life. Meet Sarah. She's a marketing manager in Toronto, mom of 2 working 45-hour weeks. She was tired of living paycheck to paycheck even though she made $85,000 a year. Here's what she did over 6 months. And remember, this is an example, not a guarantee. In months 1 and 2, she started on Contra offering LinkedIn profile reviews at $200 per profile. She got 2 clients per week through her LinkedIn network, around $1,600 per month, working about 8 hours per week total. In months 3 and 4, she created a LinkedIn profile optimization checklist in Canva and sold it on Gumroad for $27. She shared it with every client she helped and made 15 sales in the first month, around $405. In months 5 and 6, she added resume writing as a second service on the same platform, charging $350 per resume. 3 clients per month brought in an additional $1,050. 6-month result, around $3,055 per month, working 12 to 15 hours per week total. Sarah's results are an example, not a guarantee. Your results will vary. But Sarah's not some internet guru. She's a regular parent with a full-time job. The difference is she built a system, not just a hustle. And she didn't start from zero. She used skills she already had from her marketing job and monetized them outside her company. Before you start, let me warn you about the 5 mistakes that kill most income stacks. Mistake number 1 is trying to build everything at once. You start a YouTube channel, Launch a course, do freelance work, and sell printables all at the same time. You're spread too thin. Nothing gets traction. You burn out in 3 weeks. The fix is to start with one stream, stabilize it for 60 to 90 days, then add the second. Mistake number 2 is chasing trends instead of your skills. Everyone's talking about AI automation, so you try to become an automation consultant even though you've never done it. You're competing with people who actually know what they're doing. The fix is to monetize what you already know. What do people ask you for help with at work? That's your starting point. Mistake number 3 is waiting until everything's perfect. You spend 3 months designing your logo, building your website, writing your sales page, and you're making $0. The fix is to launch ugly. Your first version doesn't need to be perfect. It needs to exist. You'll improve it based on real feedback, not assumptions. Mistake number 4 is not tracking your time. You think you're working 5 hours a week on your side hustle, but you're actually working 15. The fix is to track your time for 2 weeks. Be honest. If you're spending more than 10 hours a week for less than $500, you need to raise your prices or fire some clients. Mistake number 5 is giving up too soon. You launch your template and make 0 sales in the first week and conclude it doesn't work. The fix is to give every idea 60 to 90 days minimum. Consistency beats intensity. Most people quit right before things start working. Here's something most income advice won't tell you: you don't need more time. You need better leverage. The parents who build successful income stacks aren't the ones working 20-hour weeks. They're the ones working 5 hours but using the right tools, the right platforms, and the right systems. And if you're thinking, I don't even know where to start, that's exactly why I created the Income Stack Starter Checklist. It's a free PDF that helps you choose one realistic income stack and take a clear first step this week. No overwhelm, no analysis paralysis. Just a clear path forward. I'll link it in the description. Grab it before you move on because it's going to save you hours of guessing. If this is helping so far, subscribe for more systems like this. And stay to the end because I'm about to give you the exact 3-step action plan you can start today. All right, here's your 3-step action plan for this week. Step 1 is to audit your current skills and time. This takes about 30 minutes. Grab a piece of paper or open a doc. Write down what skills you use at work that other people would pay for. Write down what tools you already use that have affiliate programs. Write down how many hours per week you can realistically commit. Be honest. And write down your income goal for the next 90 days. $500? $1,000? $2,000? This is your starting point. You're not building anything new. You're monetizing what already exists. Step 2 is to pick one stream to start. This takes about 15 minutes. Based on your audit, if you have a marketable skill, start with Stream 1 and get on Contra. If you need money fast, start with Stream 2 and offer a service. If you have 2 to 3 hours to build something, start with Stream 3 and create a digital product. Don't overthink this. You can always add more streams later. You just need to start. Step 3 is to take your first action within 48 hours. If you're going freelance, create your Contra profile and send 3 outreach messages. If you're going service-based, post one offer on LinkedIn or in a Facebook group. If you're going digital product, create the first version of your template in Canva. That's it. One action within 48 hours. Here's why this works. Momentum beats motivation. Once you take one action, you'll naturally take the next. Once you make your first $50, you'll naturally want to make $500. The hardest part is starting. Everything gets easier after that. Before you go, download the Income Stack Starter Checklist for free. The link is in the description. This PDF will help you choose one realistic income stack and take your first step this week. No overwhelm, no guessing. Just a clear action plan. And if you want more practical income stack breakdowns like this, subscribe to the channel. We test AI tools, automation workflows, and money systems to help busy professionals and parents build multiple income streams without burnout. Real experiments, real numbers, no hype. New videos drop every week. Here's the bottom line. You don't need more time. You don't need to quit your job. You don't need to become an internet guru. You just need to start stacking income, one stream at a time, using what you already have with leverage from AI and automation. One extra paycheck a month is possible. I've seen it happen with parents who had less time than you do. They started small. They stayed consistent. They built a system that worked even when they were exhausted. You can do this too. Start this week, take one action, and then come back next week and take another. All links to the tools mentioned are in the description below. Some may be affiliate links, and we may earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. That's what keeps the lab running. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.